Hello viewers, good morning and welcome back. Today in this video I am going to solve this problem. If the length of the diagonal of a cube is 7 root 3 centimeter, then the surface area of the cube. Here 4 options are given. We have to choose the correct option. In the question it is given that the length of the diagonal of a cube is 7 root 3 centimeter. And from this we have to find the surface area of the cube. So let us begin the solution. Here the diagonal of the cube is 7 root 3 centimeter. And from this we have to find the surface area of the cube. Here we have to find the surface area of the cube. From the diagonal of the cube, first of all we have to find the side of the cube. And then from that side we can find the surface area of the cube. Let us suppose that the side of the cube be s centimeter. Then if the side of the cube is as centimeter, then its diagonal is given by the formula as into root 3 centimeter. And then when the side of the cube is as centimeter, then surface area of the cube is equal to 6 into s square, because in a cube whose side is as centimeter, area of one face is s into s. But a cube has 6 faces, so the surface area of the cube is equal to the sum of the area of the 6 faces, which is equal to 6s square. And here its diagonal is s root 3 centimeter, which is equal to 7 root 3 centimeter. Now we can write s into root 3 is equal to 7 into root 3 centimeter. Now we can cancel root 3 with root 3 in both sides. Then we get s is equal to 7 centimeter. Now the side of the cube is 7 centimeter. Side of each face is 7 centimeter. Now the surface area of the cube is equal to 6 into, for s we can substitute here 7. So it becomes equal to 6 into 7 square. 6 into 7 square centimeter square, which is equal to 6 into 7 centimeter square. 6 sevens are 42 into 7, and it is equal to 294 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the cube, and this is the solution to this problem. So okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and also to leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Bye bye, take care, have a good time.